Hello everyone, I'm Maria and these are my 4 babies. So let's start with Bricks. This is Bricks. Ate dog, she's a rescue. And oh, these are my kittens. Hello everyone. This is Lala, rescue ko din siya 2 months ago. Ayan, itong mga kuting na ito, anak to ng rescue ko. Mama cat. This is Patty. Welcome to our 4 family. This is Patty. I rescued her a year ago. This is Mama Cat. Rescue din siya year 2023. Ang dami na niyang anak. Pero ito lang yung 3. 4 lang pala yung nabuhay. Okay, anak siya ni Mama Cat. This is Monday. Yeah, hello Monday. How are you today? Huh? Are you hungry? Si Patty naka-spay na yan. Si Ate Dog naka-spay na yan. Ito naka-neuter na nito. I got him year 2019. And this is Coco. He found Lala on the bush. And I rescued him like a year ago. Uy! A year ago! November 2024. And this is Mama Dog. Naka-spay na din siya. Ay, no! Don't get jealous. Don't get jealous. Kuya Brick is just licking my feet because it's wet. Okay? No jealous ha. No. No fight, boys. No fight, boys, please. Please don't fight. No. Kuya Bricks is just licking my feet, okay? And this is Mama Dog. Naka-spay na din siya. Stray dog siya for over 4 years. And then, she got abandoned by her owner kasi umuwi ng province. And then, dito na siya nakatira. She's living with me now. And all her puppies, Aray, Berex! Bakit? And all her puppies, na-adapt na rin. So, yeah. We're good. And, problema ko lang dito sa bahay, itong dalawa. Coco and Bricks. Siloso pa naman. No fight ha? Boys, no fight. Where's Kuya Sebi? So, Sebi is not here. He's an outside cat. Gusto niyang mapag-isa. Gusto niya sa labas. Gusto niyang mainitan. Ayan. At ito, here, is Tuesday, Lala, and Wednesday. Yan. Yung laruan nila, sponsor din yan ni Tita Lynn. Thank you, Tita Lynn. Okay. And this is Roro, ang aking cat food baby. Laking cat food. Here we go. Let's go outside. Come on, boys. Come on, everybody. And here's Bagring, my senior dog. She's 8 years old. Where's Sebi? Sebi! And here's Sebi. Hello, baby. Hey! And there's Sebi. Sebi. Rescue ko din siya year 2023. Nakakapo na yan. Laking cat food din yan. Yeah. And that's my 4 family here in Cebu.